So right now I'm going to install a new muffler on this thing. The old one kind of fell off. Just as a before and after test, I'm going to start it right now and hear how loud she is. Put the muffler on and see how quiet she whispers then. Right now my battery's flat, unfortunately, and I don't have a battery charger, so hand crank it is. Because as of right now, that's all I get. Should start next pull. Why not? There we go. Yeah, pretty loud. If I push this choke in all the way, she does idle for a little while, but she's dead cold, so it does stall. So, well, let's stick the muffler on and see what happens. I don't know how much of this you'll be able to see, but I've already, well, the old muffler kind of fell off on its own accord. But I've already taken off what was left of the flange, and I've cleaned that up. You can't see that, it's on the other side. But getting a good camera angle in here is going to be a bit difficult at best. I cleaned that up, just gave it a hit with the angle grinder, smooth her up a bit. That bolt right there, not want to come out for life or anything. I ended up having to cut both sides flush off, and there was so much rust packed in there that I had to take a 4-pound hammer, put it behind there, and hit the other side with the claw like 7 or 8 times before it popped out and the slug fell out. I don't see it laying around here. It'll turn up eventually when I sweep the driveway. But yeah, so I already took that off. So now it's just a matter of offering up the new muffler and bolting her in. I ordered new bolts when I ordered the muffler, well, on my last order from Rover North. But didn't order new bolts for the exhaust hanger. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just going to need to buy a new set of bolts for that. Hopefully I can just wiggle this in there for now. Okay, just thread it through. Kind of doing this part blind. Looks like that'll line up nicely. You know what, there's like this, almost like a lacquer coating on the bottom of here while I got the angle grinder out. I'm just going to hit it with the wire wheel. I don't know if you can see that coating. I hit it with the wire wheel and clean that up before I install it. I'm going to install these the same way that the old ones were on there. The bolt on this side and the nut and lock washer on the other. Pull out the gasket, slide her on. I'm going to anti-sneeze all of these. Anti-seize them. But I'm just going to fit that one on there so I A, don't lose parts, and B, kind of holds the muffler up and in place while I get the others all lined up. Just got some nickel anti-seize. Let's give her a dab will do. I'll put some around the head and the base of the head. Slide it through. Lock washer. Spin it on. I'm not even actually sure what size these things are. $13 mil. I'm just going to tighten this as far as I can before the bolt head starts slipping. Alright, I think that's about good. That top one was giving me problems. I kind of just had to go in there, get blind with the ratchet, get her cinched down. I got it pretty tight, but the head's spinning now. And I need to lube the one that I put in there first. Haven't anti-sneezed that one yet. So unfortunately, last night my phone ran out of memory. I ended up screwing on, putting all the bolts on. It bolted up nicely. It was a little close to my tire, so I bent it backwards a bit. Now I've got a fair amount of clearance. It was about there. I don't know how well you can see that. About an inch away from my tire, and I've got bigger tires to put on this thing, so bent that back. Now I got the new bolts on the hanger, so you can see there. Did fire up last night. Now all you can really hear is the exhaust leak where the downpipe meets the manifold. You need to get that fixed. Guess that's the next part of the exhaust to do. But for now, I'm quite happy with the results. Got those new bolts in there. Well, let's fire her up and see how she sounds. Alright, she's running now. You can probably hear that exhaust leak is pretty bad, but now I can blow the leaves away without without deafening myself. She's running a bit rich because I've got the choke on. Probably. Still needs to go a little while before she'll idle smoothly. Without choke. So yeah, guess that job's done. And that'll be all for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Catch you on the next one. Bye.